We've just finished with Patricia's complimentary hearing health check. We would recommend that anyone of any age comes in if they're worried at all about their hearing. The stats show that 4 out of 10 people over the age of 50 have a hearing loss, and that rises to 7 out of 10 for people over 70. But hearing loss can affect anyone at any age. But it could be wax affecting your hearing. So if you think that's a possibility, either you're working outdoors or you've had wax removed before, why not come in and get it checked by us?